that literally lives in the middle of nowhere, and today I'm going to work on these heads, just get them cleaned up. See what the hell. I'll have to rotate the crank every time I spin it. As you can see, I got a light here, just enough that we can get each piston. So that's today's job, the joys. So, easiest thing I'm going to do, well, first thing first, put the fucking phone down out of my pocket. Don't need it. Give her a spray in there. The other thing I'm going to do is alright. I'm just going to give it a little rotate. Alright. So I'm highest point on that one. Pretty dirty. Standard tools, razor blade, knife, yeah, and simple toothbrush. Okay, so that's what you see. You got it in there. Goddamn paint cans. That's not bad. Looks about better. Just gonna get this extra crap out of here. Like this shit. And just like that, it is done. All specs to what I need to. Try to get the slide. but it's not too bad. Well, yesterday I kind of left off, forgot to finish the video. So I've taken off, I don't even think you can see that. Well, that's the starter there. I've taken off the starter off that side. Just a big hole. And you can see underneath there, if I'm pointing this right. Yeah, that's the flywheel there. As well, you see there's the bolts and stuff like that. I busted off a oil pan bolt right at the front here, and that's the problem, it's right there. I don't know if you've seen it because I can't get that angle. I'm not laying down right now. But that is the end of this one. I've decided I'm not doing a tranny separation. Just by the looks of things, I'm just going to do a major cleanup. Try to get in there as much as possible with a part cleaner. Clean up all this shit here. Just toothbrush, vacuum, and any brake cleaner or whatever. And from what I've seen inside also, that oil pan can come off and there's no real issue. But it is what it is. That's the new plant today. And my dumbass, I just came in the garage and I forgot to cover this up. So that could have got stuff all over it. I even forgot to clean that. That's awesome. Not paying attention today. Did I do the other side? Yeah, I done the other side, but there's one little corner I forgot to do. There we go. Just like that, it's done. So, yeah. Like, subscribe, comment, and if you want to see anything, let me know. Like always, have a good one.